Hello everyone. Welcome again to Architect. Here I am trying to give you a detailed idea on how to search dynamic list box and hide and re-show list through ASP.NET Core. When you bring data through the dynamic checkbox, a huge list can come up, in which case it becomes much harder to work in create form and edit form. Here you can see a large list of departments from which it will be difficult and time-consuming to find your desired department. There is an easy way out of this problem. To do this, you need to use jQuery and CSS, as well as C#. At first, copy the Jquery CDN link and paste it into the layout page or the page that will work. I am providing the link in the description box. I am creating a label to easily know the heading of the department. Then I will take a text box, which I will show as a search box, where you can find your desired department by searching. Before that, I am creating another div, where I will show the data through mouse hover by CSS. Then I will write jQuery script to filter the checklist. Here I am giving the ID of the search box with reference, where it will be filtered accordingly. Then I will give a name or ID to the part of the tag that I will filter, the list of which will be filtered. Here you can see the filter function is working. We can easily search and select the departments we need. Then we have to hide the checkbox. But when the mouse will keep on search box or on the label, then only checkbox will show here. For this we will call the class name of the div through CSS function. Finally, you can see that the data in the checkbox is automatically hidden, only showing when the mouse is being brought. Thanks everyone, and stay tuned to RK Tech for further tips.